Are you tired of loose nuts and bolts? Choosing the right thread locker is crucial for safety. Let's compare ESKONKE Blue Thread Locker 243 with regular thread lockers found in automotive stores. First, let's talk about strength. Regular thread lockers often have high strength. High strength means tough removal during repairs. ESKONKE 243 offers medium strength. Medium strength allows easy removal when needed. Next, consider vibration resistance. Regular thread lockers may loosen under vibration. ESKONKE 243 resists vibration reliably. Your fasteners stay secure in engines and machinery. What about sealing capability? Some standard products don't seal against leaks. ESKONKE 243 seals and protects fasteners from leaks. No more worries about fluid seepage. Application matters too. Regular thread lockers can be messy to apply. ESKONKE 243 features easy, precise application. No drips, no waste, just clean results. Let's see a quick demo comparison. On the left, regular thread locker. Application is thick and uneven. Removal requires excessive force. On the right, ESKONKE 243, smooth, controlled application on metal fasteners. Bolts lock tight, but can be removed easily. Notice the difference in residue. ESKONKE 243 leaves minimal residue after removal. Regular thread locker leaves sticky, hard-to-clean residue. Now, let's compare packaging. Standard thread lockers may leak during storage. ESKONKE 243 is professionally packaged for stability. You get accurate volume and no mess. How about versatility? Regular thread lockers work on some metals only. ESKONKE 243 works on all metal fasteners. Ideal for automotive, machinery, and industrial use. Let's review the key advantages. Prevents loosening of nuts and bolts. Medium strength for easy disassembly. Seals and protects against leaks. Reliable vibration resistance. Easy clean application process. Minimal residue after removal. Stable professional packaging. Works on all metal fasteners. Perfect for automotive and industrial professionals. Available now on Amazon. Come enjoy free delivery with eligible purchases. Amazon Prime members get fast shipping. Don't risk your repairs with ordinary thread lockers. Choose ESKONKE Blue Thread Locker 243 for reliability. Click the link to order yours today. Secure your fasteners. Upgrade your maintenance now.